The Season 2 ASA Middle School Art Club changed into Art with Heart. The students brainstormed ways they could help others with art. They came up with some amazing ideas, which we hope to still apply next year. For this short season, we decided to support Orphan Impact, so that students at Vietnamese orphanages could be exposed to art for the very first time. Orphan Impact helps children growing up in Vietnamese orphanages to acquire technology skills, which will help to prepare the children for their futures when they leave the orphanages. Their focus is on STEM, so we were very excited to introduce the A, art, into their program. Since time was short, too short to visit and teach in person, we decided to create art tutorials and raise funds to supply the art materials, so that we made sure that this initiative actually happened. The students researched the tasks that they wanted to learn and present. In 5 one-hour classes only, they researched, practiced, filmed, critiqued, and edited their tutorials. You can see on this board of photos and in this video all the students in action and the end results. Two young classes and one older class participated, and as you can see, they did an incredible job. Now our tutorials are being sent to other orphanages, so the impact is going to be wider than what we had originally planned. Next year, we would like to involve more art students who would have more time to teach higher level skills and make these classes happen even more regularly. It was a huge success. We are so grateful to Orphan Impact for being so enthusiastic with this initiative and making it actually happen. We are also really grateful to the GIN students here at SSIS who fundraised for us so that we could buy the materials. And of course, the very kind-hearted and hardworking students who signed up to this club in the first place. So thank you very much. Please take some time to have a look at the photos on this board and have a look at the tutorials right next to you. We have QR codes, so you can put your camera onto the normal camera setting and scan the code. It will open up the tutorial for you. You'll find supplies on the table right next to the board and have a go. See if you can also create the same artwork from our tutorials. When you're finished, feel free to take it home, or you'll see the purple board there where you can pin your work and we can have a community art gallery where everyone has participated. Thank you for watching, have fun, and enjoy the rest of the art party.